Welcome to Inside Thoughts. Although it may be incredibly rewarding and thrilling as a trader, you're constantly bombarded with market fluctuations, news, and data, all of which can affect your investments. And one of the most important things for a trader is to be able to control their emotions. Emotions play an important role in the cryptocurrency market. They are the difference between making a profit and taking a loss. Fear, greed, hope, and excitement are just some of the emotions that traders experience every day. But, as any experienced trader will tell you, it's crucial to keep these emotions in check if you want to be successful in the crypto market. Here are some reasons why controlling your emotions is crucial in cryptocurrency trading. Emotions can cloud your decisions. Fear and greed are the perfect recipes for failure. When you are afraid of losing money, you may make irrational decisions and sell your crypto too soon. On the other hand, when you're greedy, you may hold on to losing crypto too long, hoping they'll turn around. Both scenarios can lead to a significant loss. Emotions can lead to impulsive decisions. When you feel stressed or anxious, it is difficult to think clearly and make the right decisions. This can be very expensive, like buying or selling at the wrong time. Emotions can be a bit expensive because when you're not in control of your emotions, you're likely to make mistakes that can be costly. You may miss out on good opportunities or hold on to losing crypto for too long. So, how can you control your emotions in the crypto market? Here are some tips. Set rules for yourself. Before you start trading, set some rules for yourself. For example, you could decide never to invest more than you can afford to lose, or never to make impulsive decisions based on fear or greed. These rules will give you a framework to follow and help you stay disciplined. Practice mindfulness techniques. Mindfulness can help you stay focused and grounded. One final tip for emotional control in crypto trading is to have a plan and stick to it. Having a well-thought-out business plan can help you stay focused and avoid hasty decisions. Your plan should include your investment goals, risk management strategies, and a set of rules to follow when entering and exiting trades. Having a plan in place will help you stay disciplined and avoid succumbing to emotions like fear and greed. Another important aspect to consider is having a diversified portfolio. Having a diversified portfolio will help you spread your risk across different assets, thereby reducing the negative impact of any investment. This will also help you to avoid the emotional trap of becoming too invested in one particular coin and will prevent you from making impulsive decisions based on emotions. It is also important to keep in mind that the crypto market is highly volatile, and it's essential to be prepared for the ups and downs. Expecting the unexpected and being ready to adapt to changes in the market will help you to stay calm and level-headed. In addition, it is essential to keep a long-term perspective. Crypto trading is not a get-rich-quick scheme, and it's essential to keep in mind that the market can be highly unpredictable. Focusing on long-term goals and not getting caught up in short-term fluctuations can help you to stay focused and avoid impulsive decisions. In summary, emotional control is a crucial aspect of crypto trading. By setting rules for yourself, practicing mindfulness techniques, taking breaks, seeking help when needed, having a plan, diversifying your portfolio, being prepared for volatility, and keeping a long-term perspective, you can learn to control your emotions and make better decisions in the crypto market. It takes time to discipline, patience, and the ability to adapt to changing circumstances. Remember that cryptocurrency trading is a long-term investment. Like, share, and subscribe.